What's up, my guys? There we go. I put the center console in. Just bullshit weld just to get her in there. But fuck it, man. It's in there. Then I can sit my floor shifter in here. Like that. Oh yeah. Papa, we making moves. I'm gonna put my seats in there soon. I can already put the back ones in. But we're gonna do this right. Got that in. Once we get that in, these are the brackets for my seats. Driver's side and passenger side. Existing bolt. I think one up here like that. Something like that. And then we set the puppy on. We'll work it out. That's what I got planned for this weekend. And then I might start sanding the car down. Getting it ready for paint. Look at that whale. That's all my parts that I need, and extra parts, everything. The frame off. It's a beautiful day out here. More parts. Oh, riding in style. Now I bought me a little sander from Harbor Freight because we're broke out here. But this is what my little brother's done so far on the truck hood. So that should be nice. Let me show you guys the daily. What? Yes, son. I gotta fix that. Damn it, son. But I've been doing this too because one of them's been leaking air. So I had to do the wire wheeling and sealing. 2 bottles of silicone right there. Straight fancy. Let her dry up and cure for the night, and then take her in. Slap the tires on. And hopefully be all good. If not, then we go in tubes. A little update what's going on today. Shout out to the homie Kevin. He hooked it up with the center console kit and the bucket seats for the swivel conversion. So those are the brackets. This lays on that somehow. And this goes in here. What's up? Another little update before I keep working without posting anything, recording. What have I done so far? Not much, but a lot. Back at it, man. Trying this sanding thing. I guess that's the bare metal and these are the coats. I hope so. Hope it ain't Bondo. You see, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I'm getting there. It'll be grounded down eventually. Look how dusty it's getting. Oh yeah, look at that. That and that. That's for my center console floor shifters. Strapped in, ready to go. Now I just got to put the seats in there. And eventually, that's probably the last thing I do. But I'm gonna get it ready. And then drop her on the frame. It hurt.